George. In this video clip, I'll be talking about tips for planing end grain. Planing end grain on a piece of stock is a lot more challenging than planing the face or one of the edges. First, you'll want to set the depth adjustment to take the smallest cut possible. Now on our piece of stock, we're actually going to be planing halfway, going one way, and we're going to stop at that halfway point, and then we're going to come back around the other side and plane the other way. Now if we were to just plane across the entire piece, we would have the potential for the end to be blown out on our piece of stock. Now in doing this, you want to make sure you just take a little bit extra time when you're planing it, since the end grain can be a little bit more tricky. Take lots of small cuts, take your time, go slow, and your end product is going to be real nice.